This is my simple page here where we have the Duplan logo icon. So this app is basically an application where you plan your day, your week, or your month and by adding tasks and getting reminders. So so we want to click Get Started. It will take you to the user account page. So for the user account page, we have the register where you register your details. We have a prompt below here saying already have an account, sign in. So we'll assume we're new users, and once we've done with the registration, we'll click on register, the login or the sign in page. So on the login and the sign in page, we also have a prompt which says if you don't have an account, you can sign up. And we also have another prompt here that says forgot password. And so this is a password recovery or reset button where if a user has forgotten their password, they can go and recover it. So we're gonna click we've forgotten our password, and we'll go to password recovery where you enter your email address, you confirm it, and when you click next, you'll get a verification page where a verification code has been sent to you that you register your account. And when confirm, you can go back to the login page. You can enter it as you have covered your password. So we click the login button, and then we'll have the user profile page where you enter your age and your gender, just basic user details, and we'll click next. And we'll have, so the main homepage has the file photo, a welcome message. User in this case is called Green, so welcome Green. We have the time and the date and the location. So task and event calendar settings, and we'll have our icon at the top left corner. It's a good icon, looking good. And so we start by tasks and events. So when I click on events, we have tasks and events in different days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and as you can see, they're all shade, and we have a back button and a plus which adds a new task. So when we click the plus button, in this case, welcome Green, start creating a task event, and we have Enoch, Enoch Day, that's the name of the event, and I have the event which is 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. and then we have the event date, which is Friday, December the 9th, and then we can click tick, and you can see the page adds Enoch's birthday at the bottom of the page. So we can go back. When we go back to the home page, and then we have the calendar. So on the calendar, we have a calendar of November 2021 showing events on this day, and then a calendar shows the tasks for today. And one of my thought about this application is the icon on the far right, on the second to the right, the calendar tab, we plan to include a drop-down menu that lets you type in whichever date you want, and you can check the tasks on that day. So we can go back, and so we're finished with task, events, with calendar, account settings, and the settings we have the account. So on account we have the profile and the smart integration. Smart integration basically helps us to connect the account with smart devices such as Alexa, Google. We have we have the preferences where you can change the language, the theme, either to into light or dark mode, the sounds, the notifications. We have the tasks where you can see the list of tasks and you can see the completed tasks. And we have the calendar where you have the event reminders. So we have this button that works here, the language button, where like language you with it, like you're easy to understand. So in this case, since we speak English, we'll click on English. And so as you can see of our icon here, in this case, this icon acts homepage. If I click this icon, it will take me back to the homepage. But before I go back to the homepage, we have these two icons here. One looks like a share button, and this one looks like a communication button. So when I click here, This share button will take you to different social media links, connect with different social media accounts of that you have in order to get updates and schedule and tasks and events. And for example, birthdays, community events, support events on Facebook that will be linked to your account. And instead of adding new tasks, if your accounts are linked, they just go directly into the calendar. So we can click back, but we want to try out this new icon here. So when I click on the icon there, it takes me back to the home page. But we are supposed to go back and check out this icon. So this icon here will direct us to my helper. We definitely will create a chat section where there are a few questions you can ask, and you'll be guided on how you can be assisted. So now we can definitely click on the icon and go back to the home page. Having done that, we have the last one, which is the logout button. So that helps you sign out in case somebody else wants to use it. Literally, it's one of the few used buttons in application, since our gadgets are personal, so we don't need to log out of our applications. But we're gonna use it this time, and we're gonna click logout. And when you click, it'll take you into the login page where you log in again. So that's the application. In the future, we'll try and to try and make it